When talking about brand and visual identity, there are 8 main elements that we are going to call subunits that must be taken into consideration. For this, let's analyze them together. This will provide you the basic information and skills to be able to recreate a strategic plan for the development of your brand and visual identity, or improve your existing one. First, we are going to see how branding is a key concept in contemporary marketing. What is important to understand is that we can't define branding as just creating a logo or naming it. A brand is a phenomenon that distinguishes you from others and contributes to the development of customers' sense of trust. Branding is the consumer's emotional attachment to the company or product. This attachment is established through the name, logo, image, and message. The second point is about elaborating strategic brand planning. The brand is one of the strategic and important assets in today's competitive job market. Brands need to manage brand presence, strategic planning, and positioning. Today, producers are not only given the task of producing goods and services, but also the task of recognizing and meeting consumer needs. While creating a brand, the interaction between the consumer and the producer should be analyzed in depth. As a result of these analyses, the brand aims to create value, to be preferred, and to create customer loyalty. There are 2 different types of branding: product branding and corporate brand. Product branding targets a consumer or consumer segment with a single message. Indeed, the point of corporate branding is that each constituency message can be handled differently and have a single key message that is meaningful to everyone. Brand identity is the subject of the third point. It is the component of a product or company that will differentiate it from all the others. It is about how the product and the institution want to promote itself. It is a way to reach consumers through marketing and branding. Brand identity consists of components such as culture, vision, relationships, personalities, and positioning, and reveals its difference. Brand identity aims to convey a message to its customers and express the brand with these components. Visual identity is about what we see, how you create a perception in your customers with visible elements. It consists of components, such as images and graphics, enabling the brand to differentiate among its competitors. Visual identity aims to show many aspects of the institution or product with the various visuals it offers, to inform about the service or product offered, and to create an emotional impression for the customer through visual memory. But how to create a visual identity? Visual elements that are in harmony create a visual link between the customer and the brand and enable the brand to reach its visual identity. Here is a list of visual elements: imagery, graphics, color palette, typography, physical brand assets. Corporate identity is a component that develops and maintains elements such as consistency, quality, and loyalty among stakeholders. The purpose of the Corporate Identity Guide is to have a single message, meaning of the organization on various platforms, before the target audience. The Corporate Identity Guide makes the logo, graphics, fonts, colors, and applications consistent and compatible with your target audience. You can think of the logo as the identity of your brand. It can make your target audience experience recognition, reliability, integrity, and many other emotions. The symbols on the logo create an idea about your brand to the customers, and you can use the advantage of being remembered by the potential customers. One of the reasons why logos are important is that they carry your identity. That is, your property. It answers questions such as where you are among its competitors and customers, who you are, and what your services are. Another reason is that your logo enables potential customers to turn to your brand, thanks to its different design and interesting colors. After gaining recognition, your customers will be familiar with the brand's logo and brand loyalty will be easier. The brand implementation is necessary in order not to deviate from strategic plans and to minimize risks. At this point, it is important to understand what you are doing in practice. In this process, marketing and all components should act in cooperation. Not only the physical assets of your brand, such as logo typography, but also who it is and why it is important and what it does play a key role. Identify brand touchpoints in order of importance and prioritize accordingly. Social media has paved the way for brands to establish more individual relationships with consumers. The last subunit is dedicated to the case study of Dunkin' Donuts' strategies to strengthen the brand through its Instagram account. A literature review was done on 4 basic frameworks: framing theory, branding, Instagram, and Dunkin' Donuts.